So what are the benefits? People do keep asking, what are the benefits that we have if we get to a charter? To put it in a nutshell, there are a few points running in here, but then understand this is a or a benchmark in the investment industry. Now, why has this become a benchmark? Because of the curriculum they follow, one of the most updated curriculum that I have seen, very relevant to the industry, a very strong network and acceptance across the globe. So if you have a charter, you cleared your three levels and have a charter that basically says you have good ethical standards and you have a good knowledge along with it. So just going through this, you can look forward for higher compensations, recognized internationally, as I was talking about. Credibility is very high because they keep checking the entire part on your conduct and you have to periodically review your membership and other things. The knowledge, as I said earlier, the knowledge is at par with most of the things at the globe. They have made this curriculum in such a way that it covers most of the whatever is required to be a successful investment banker or into the portfolio management industry. And how good the curriculum is, they keep on revising the curriculum. Curriculum is normally written by people who are there in the industry. When you go through your curriculum, you will find the people who have written that particular part. Normally PhDs or CFAs with a good amount of experience running in the industry. And because of that, they have made the changes. The industry is changing. The entire world which we live in is changing. You have seen AI coming up big time. So those all things have started coming in the curriculum as well. You get access to global network with around 1,60,000. As per the last report, it would have increased by now. That's just a tentative number running in here. What CFA chart holders do this? I get a lot of question on this part. Like, what do I do if I become a charter holder or if I clear my levels? So most of them work as portfolio managers, the prime job, followed by research analysts. Others, and we can see chief level executive, consultant, risk managers, corporate financial analysts, relationship managers, financial advisors. Others is the role which comes like education, someone who is there into education, does his charter. People like us into education, working and getting their charters. So what happens in all of this is this others constitute that part. People who are working for their own, they have their own businesses running, they want to improve their own knowledge running, they come into this part of it. The left hand side apart from this side, these are all the roles that you normally get. Now roles can have subdivisions also. These are only the designations that we are talking about. Salary band, most of us look forward to what do I get when I finish a particular program. These are all tentative as per the CFA Institute. So these are the median salaries that we look forward to. So if you have a charter, the base salary of a portfolio managers is around 126 USD. And compensation, total compensation is including your bonus. And that's the median that we are talking about at around 177.